Guys, I'm glad I didn't catch anything because I thought I was recording. We used to call this the grass pond because the grass is so bad in here. I believe I just missed that freaking fish. Oh. Come on, guys. Let's go. Come on. Skeet across the water. I seen him come. Did he come off? No. Okay. 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 You that size, buddy. I know the other one was good, boy. Let's go. Let's go. He shot from within the cone. I saw him come out. Off the old morning frog, guys. Off the old morning frog. Gonna let Shelby go back into the manure. I seen the straight beeline going towards that frog. I was like, yep, there she go. That gum, I wish I would have made that first one. That's alright. Oh, there go another one. There go another one. Oh my gosh. Gonna stack back there, you guys. It's another one freaking stacked back there. But I can't freaking... Come on, I gotta get a right cast this time. There's another one back there. Ah, what I told you guys. What I told you. Let's go. Ah, goodness. And I would cast out way entirely too far. You can go slow. I might can get him to hit. There we go. Let's go. We got another one. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. In the top of the snouts. Look at that hook set, you guys. Look at that hook set. Don't get no better than that. Oh, he wasn't going nowhere. He wasn't going nowhere, you guys. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All off the top frog, guys. I'm finna see if it's another one stacked back there. Say goodbye to Billy Bob. Mouth full of water. I'm gonna cast over here and I'm finna go up. Well, that one more cast will be that weak ass cast. So can I go find some more? There you go. Here you come. Here you come. Here you come. What are you doing? Get it, my guy. Bro, I can see the line of him chasing the freaking frog around. He just didn't hit it. Oh. There we go. Told you. See him chasing it. And I don't even think that was the one that was originally chasing it right here that just hit it then. We get numbers today, you guys. Say goodbye to Butha. Baby Butha. I think it's still another one over there, you guys. Oh yeah. I can see him in the back. It's definitely another one over there. Oh, what I told you guys. He came forward at the last second. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Oh, he got it off the muscle. Come on, man. Why you gonna do that? Oh, I like to just shove my boat right into some old fresh steamer. Old clean steamer. And his name is not Stanley. I think I'm gonna go this way. Got more room. Got more room. Ain't the type of steamer you want. Have a whole cow head in my trunk. I slick thought I shoved straight in there anyways. I'm finna say, well, you know what? Wow, can I get me a fish before I go, please? That one. Well, I like to took your jaw out of here. I had to make sure you won't go nowhere, so I'm sorry about that aggressive hook set, buddy. Say goodbye to Abawaka. Got one on, guys. Oh, we got a good one on too, guys. We got a good one. We got a good one. I thought he was a good one at least. He's a decent, more decent one, but he was fighting pretty good, guys. Come on, come on, come on. Relax, relax. Yes, sir, guys. Yes, 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 yes. Yes.
I ain't felt this way in a minute. I just blew the roof through the ceiling. I just woke up to another million. Finally made my way out of the trenches, and I still take a brick and get it going. Yeah. Take a bitch and break a bitch and send her home. Yeah, but my brothers, you in trouble. They right or they wrong. Yeah.